To create a back stitch, bring your needle up through the back of the fabric about a stitch length away from the end of the line. Then you're going to go back to the beginning of your line. Put your needle down through and pull the thread through. Then you're going to go forward a stitch length, put your needle up through, pull the thread through. Go back to that last stitch right there, the beginning of the last stitch, put your needle down in, go up about a stitch length away, pull the thread through, then go back a stitch length to the beginning of that last stitch, put your needle down through and pull the thread through. Now there's another way you can do it. I like to call the first method the up and down method, or some people call it a stabbing method or a poking method. But there's another way to do it to keep your hand on the top of the fabric, and I think it helps. After you get the hang of it, it helps to get things, keep things moving along, and it's a little quicker to make. So you're going to put your needle down as you did before, but not, instead of pulling it through, you're going to move the front end of it about a stitch length away, like that, and then you're going to pull it through. And so that way you can basically do the up and the down all in one stitch. Or the down and the up, I guess. So you go down and you come back up all in the same motion. Another reason I like doing it this way is because you can put your needle down through, pull it back up, and then you can see if your stitches are about the same. And that can help you keep your stitch length even throughout your stitching, which that kind of helps your stitching look just a little more professional if they're even. Not saying that I'm professional, self-taught, but it just helps things look a little nicer if they're even stitches. So just continue that through all the way across, however long your line is. You can do this on the borders. In fact, I'm going to outline this whole project with the back stitch. It's easy to do, and it's just a good outline stitch to have. When you get to the end, you'll just come back to the previous stitch to finish it off, and then tie it off in the back. And that is how you create the back stitch.